So, Math Traps, day 2 quiz. Let's look at the answers. Question number 1, Jimmy, who was killing it the other day. Jimmy was absolutely killing it. Obviously, he's a good marbles player. The word proficient, if you do not know what that means, ask your teacher, look it up. That is a great ACT word. Is counting his marbles one day. So his ratio of blue to green is 3 to 7, so I set that up. Here's my 3 to 7, blue to green, to make sure everything matches up. When I read the next sentence, it says his ratio of green to red, so the order has switched a little bit. Got to be careful there. I want green on bottom, so I have a match. Multiplying and getting a common denominator, so multiply the 3 to 7 by 5. I get 15 over 35. On the right one, I multiply by 7 to get them to be the same, and I get 15 to 42, which is not one of my possible answers. Why not? You might have to reduce. Keep in mind a ratio is very similar to a fraction. And if you get 15 to 42, I do need to reduce that. They have a 3 in common. So my answer is 5 to 14. Question number 2. If x does not equal 0, which must be true? So notice it doesn't give an extra stipulation that it's a whole number or an integer or even a rational. It just says it just can't be 0. So let's try a bunch of different scenarios and see which one is true. For letter I try a positive number, it works. I try a negative number, it works. I try a fraction, however. A half squared is 1/4, and 1/4 is not greater than a half, so that is false, so 1 has failed. Number 2, I try a positive number, it is true. 4 is greater than 2 in my case. Then I get false when I get to the negatives. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, which is not greater than negative 2, so that's false. So I know now that my answer must be 3 only. I'm going to go ahead and try it anyway and just make sure it works. 2 plus 1 is greater than 2. That works. Negative 2 plus 1 is greater than negative 2. That also works. And the fraction in this case answer works. A half plus 1 is greater than a half. So by process of elimination, I know that it must be 3 only. And question number 3. Jimmy is back and showing off his Fiesta wear. Very exciting. Lots of TMI here. Love TMI in these word problems. Too much information. Who cares when they came out? We need to weed through the info. It says that he has collected colors 27 through 47, so how many does he own? We're going to subtract the 2. Be sure to add that 1 for my answer of 21.